There is no question of age there. Sukadeva Goswami is the youngest. Yes, only 16 years old or 12 years old. He became Acharya. All accepted it anonymously, yes. He is Acharya. You sit and speak Bhagavatam, Katha, all here, Katha, Vyasa, Narada. All sages, saints are assembled there. And Parikshit Maharaj was here. He is a qualified person. It's transcendental situated, fixed. No question of age there. No age bar. It's all calculation, material calculation. No, material calculation. Transcendentally situated. And developed pure love for Krishna. Pure love. And fixed in that platform, this platform of love, loving service. And he speaks Krishna Katha for the pleasure of Guru and Gauranga, pleasure of Guru and Krishna, not for his own pleasure, not for his own love, puja, own material purposes. So there is no question of age there. Do you understand? That's a question. I am answering some of the questions. You understand? There is no question of age. So there is no doubt of anybody present there in the Guruship of Sukadeva Goswami. Had anybody doubt there? Vyasa has no doubt, Narada has no doubt. All accepted him as Guru, Acharya. It's transcendental situation.